about to make a lava lamp experiment. Let's get started. Now we have some oil over here and a glass like this, and we need to put some oil to this much and water to this much to here. So we have some water too and food coloring. That's red. You can put any color you want in food coloring. And I have some Alka over here. Let's wrap the Alka out. Got it? It's a little hard to take out. Okay, let's. So we are putting oil all the way to here. Do you see this purple line? And then we're putting water to here, filling up here to here. Now let's pour it. Whoa, it's a little wiggly. Wait, I can see the line. Let me put it this way. There. There, perfect. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm trying to... I did it very fast. Oh my gosh. I'm not. Okay, never mind. I'm doing it. And we need 10 drops of food coloring, but you can put any color you want. Food coloring. I got red food coloring. Now let's take drops. One. Come on. Okay, 1. Hey, come on. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10. We did it. And now let me cap. Oh my gosh, I have some food coloring on my finger. A little mix in it. There, much better. Now we have some Alka ready to put it. Oh my god, this is messy. This is messy. Oh, look at these bubbles. I like these. Oh, that's better. Now let's mix it a little quick. No, let's not mix it. Let's see how it comes. Whoa! Look at this! This is amazing! It's like bubble. Shh. Do you hear that sound? Again. See it on the top. Okay, never mind. Okay, then do it. See? Do you see that bubble? It's coming everywhere. Whoa, what's that? What's that rocking? Like coming into space up here. This is very awesome. So why did the water come down when we put the oil first? It's supposed to come down. I don't really know. Oh yeah, I know. And since the water is more dense, I get it. Now, this is less dense and this is more dense, right? Yeah. If you see here, the water is down and the oil is up because they're not attracted to each other, because this is polar molecule and oil is not non-polar molecule. Yeah, it is, like they won't mix because they're different molecules. Yeah, like, I hope you like this video. Bye, and please like.